Hello, I'm Marc, and I welcome you to the online Business English Workshop. Before I share an overview on how this workshop may benefit your career or university pursuits, let me introduce myself. I'm American from the state of California. After graduate school, I began teaching English and sociology in Silicon Valley, the high-tech capital in the United States. Today, I continue to help people to advance their English communication skills. In this workshop, we will explore 4 areas that will improve your opportunities for access and success. The first week is Coffee Break English. We will practice making and maintaining small talk, whether at work, school, and of course in a cafe. The following 2 weeks, we'll explore effective strategies for career or educational achievement. This includes creating an attractive resume with an appropriate cover letter to showcase yourself. We'll also examine how gestures, postures, and asking the right questions can effectively convey your interest in the job, your talents, strengths, and potential. In the final week, I'll share presentation strategies that will capture the attention of your audience. In this section, I welcome anyone willing to offer segments of their own presentations. I hope you'll take advantage of this opportunity, and I look forward to meeting you online.